Today what we are going to do is create some reports using the PowerSchool program. Been using Markbook for a while. With a switch to PowerPro, there are a few things that we need to learn. One of them is generating reports and printable forms for recording your marks or your attendance. So number of things that you can do. The first thing that I'm going to show you is how to create for a particular class a printable form. We are selecting the course. On the left side you can see the reports option, the reports selection, and in reports we are going to create a student roster. So here we can make some changes, and these are some of the things you can do. If you want a title, okay, you can type the title in for the roster, and you also have to select use custom class name. Then you can go to select the courses. You have a number of courses here, so you will select. Okay, we have selected that. The name list, you can choose the option of either sorting it using last name or first name or birthday or student number. I'm going with last name. Display columns. Now you need to decide how many columns you need. I'm going to print 10 columns so that I can record marks for the 10 quizzes or tests, and that's what I'm going to do. And in order to do that, I'm going to select 10 columns. So I'm going to choose blank column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have selected 10 columns. They're all blank. I'm going to give some entries here. I'm going to call it test. You can also include more columns. So we have done the make the choices. We're going to have the name on the left followed by 10 columns with the titles for the different tests that we're going to have the marks entered for. Those are the things that you will have under the criteria. Then you go to format. So here you have the option of having a landscape or a portrait. I'm going with portrait. The output can either be an Excel file if you want to have an editable student list where you can complete your work on your Excel sheet. You can go with Excel. I do both Excel and PDF. Today I'm going to show you how you can create the PDF file. A note. I can also bold it, or you can leave it regular fonts. That's our choice is yours. You can include up to 236 characters. The choice is yours. Now at the bottom, if you want to include something, you can say or something of your choice. You can include it, and again, if you want to write some instructions, you can also include it here. So those are some of the things that I would normally do to set up the formatting, and then you can go run the report. And in order to see the document, you go to the icon that gives you the notification indicating the report in the queue. Select that. It takes you to the report section. So I have this new file created here. Click on that. It will download the PDF file, open it, And I have a new form here with the student name and 10 entries. So depending upon the text here, you can actually shorten it to have a different view, and the choice is yours. So you can see the title is there, the secondary title, and the bottom you have the stuff that you have added here. Everything appears appropriately, so just what you want to include, and that's the way you can generate a report using the student roster.